Hi guys, good morning! Andito na naman tayo sa ating Hamster Combat account. Ayan, so for today's video tutorial guys, dadako tayo sa ating daily cipher. We're in araw po ng Wednesday ngayon, June 26. Ayan, medyo makulimlim at baka umulan. Okay, so guys, muli nandito tayo guys para sa ating daily cipher. So para sa ating daily cipher guys, meron tayong FOMO, which is FOMO. Tapos yung letter F is dot dot dash dot, and then puro dash dash na lahat. So yung letter O tatlong dash, yung letter M dalawang dash, yung letter O tatlong dash. Okay? So wag na nating patagalin guys. So punta tayo sa daily cipher. Ang una natin is yung F dot dot dash dot, and then dash dash dash, and then dash dash. Sorry, yan. Medyo ano to dahil puro dash na yung remaining. Okay, so ulitin natin. Dot, dot, dash, dot, dash, 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 dash. Ayaw nang mukhang, ayan, nakadami parang naghanga. Dash, dash, dash. Ayan, ulitin natin ulit. Dot, dot, dash, dot. Tapos dash, dash, dash. Dot, dot, dash, dot. Tapos dash, dash, dash. Tapos dash, dash. Tapos dash, dash, dash. Okay, so medyo na late ata. Dot. So ulitin natin ulit. Dash, ulitin natin ulit. Dot, dot, dash. Dot, dot, dash, dot. Dash, dash, dash. Dash, dash. Tapos tatlong dash. Okay, so yon guys, so medyo inabot tayo ng more than 2 minutes. Ayan, so the code is crack, you are a real detective, so take the prize. So muli guys, ang ating daily cipher for today, araw po ng Wednesday, June 26 is FOMO. Ayan, so yung F is dot dot dash dot, and then yung letter O is tatlong dash, yung letter M is tatlong dash, yung letter O is another tatlong dash ulit. Okay, so take the prize para ma-receive natin yung 1 million. Okay, so yon for daily combo. Yung daily combo natin, tingnan natin kung pwede na tayong yan, daily combo. So yun, nangangailangan tayo ng isang friend pala. Okay, thank you so much guys sa panonood.